Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app or go to facebook.com. Tap on the three lines on the bottom right and then click on settings and privacy. After that, you'll have to tap on settings. Next, what you're gonna do is scroll down to the security section and then tap on security and login. Next, what you're gonna do is click on the change password option and then go to the now you'll have to enter your current password and then enter your new password and retype new password. Then you can either log out of other devices, choose this if someone else use your account. If you do not want it, just simply click on this, then click on the change password option after you type everything. Finally, tap save changes. Facebook will log you out from other devices for security, and that's it. Your password is now updated. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down for more quick tips on staying safe online. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys